Hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel. You guys, sorry I've been working for about 11 days straight, y'all. Okay, so first I want y'all to know we gonna vlog it this time. We gonna do a little vlog. Y'all, if y'all see a mess behind me, I got to clean. I don't know. Will be today, but y'all probably won't see it. So first, let's get a close-up of my eyes, you guys. This is how my eyes is looking, and I've only been using that one eye cream. I actually got 2 more eye creams that actually just came in the mail the other 2 days ago. I think one of them's like a... Let me show you what they look like. Let me just put you down real quick, and I'm gonna show you what they look like. There we go. Alright, y'all, I'm currently just sitting on the floor right here in my filming space. So, I purchased both of these items from Amazon, you guys, and I will find the links and leave the link down below in the description box. But I don't know if I'm going to try this today. I don't know. Okay, take it back. It's not in this one. This is a baby shower gift, and this one here is a new coloring book that I just got. Okay, wrong box. I think it's in this one. So, yeah, I'm gonna do. Let me see if I'm about to pull me out a cone to see if I can put a hole in this thing here. If I can't find a knife. Yeah, I know everybody likes, you know, the pre-set up type of content. Y'all, I'm over that. Anyways, guys. So, from Amazon, one of these items, y'all, I have seen it before. I've never tried it. It's from Peter Thompson Roth. This is their Instant Firm Eye Cream. It's a temporary, okay? It's a temporary eye tightening. Instantly tightens, firms, and soothes the appearance of crow's feet, fine lines, deep wrinkles around the eye area, and diminishes under eye puffiness on all skin types. This is what it looks like. This is what I picked up from Amazon. Okay. And it shows you like some little pictures on the side of people that try this. The other thing that I wanted to try too is from the brand Good Molecules. This is their Wake Up Eye Gel. It reduces signs of puffiness and plumps the appearance of and plump, right? Why do I feel like I'm saying that wrong? And plump the appearance of fine lines. It looks like this, okay? This is what it looks like. This is what I picked it from Amazon. I know this one is a little bit more costly, but it's less costly than the one from Il Makiage. And this one here, y'all, I'm betting on this one. You wanna know why? This mug was like $5, okay? From Good Molecules. Good Molecules are sold at Ulta, y'all, but I don't know if they have this. But I did pick mine up from Amazon. So, we will be doing in a sit-down video, not this one, where I do this on one eye and I do this one on the other eye, and we compare it and see what goes on. So I'm gonna be doing that with y'all. Like I said, the other two stuff is a baby shower gift and this really cute coloring book that I wanted to color, you guys. It was just so pretty. This is what it's called. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna try this out. So freaking pretty. But anyways, like you guys, like I told y'all, this is gonna be like a little vlog type situation. So we are actually gonna go right over here. Like I said, don't mind the space. I haven't been in here in a minute, and we need to pick out some makeup for the month of April, because April 1st is tomorrow. So let's see what we can find. Alright, y'all, so this is my Alex 5-drawer unit, if you guys have never seen it before. I do have like baskets underneath here. I have one here for empties, one of, so this one here is my empties. This one here is products that, yeah, I just don't like no more. I got my mic that I used to use. I got my sewing machine pedal down here, some cords, and you guys don't worry about all that. Anyways, the top drawer here is basically, and on top up here is all my nail supplies, which I should see. My nails are not done, y'all. But we're gonna go ahead and go to this top drawer here. We're gonna pull us out some goodies here. So I think for the month of April, I want to play with this e.l.f. You know, I think I really am not going to use this during the summer, but we're going to play with this right now. We're going to do the Power Grip Matte Primer this time around. You guys, I'm going to be honest, I probably will pull stuff out and then show you guys later. But anyways, I'm going to pull these out again, my AOA Studios brow pencils. Let's see what we got here. Anastasia, what are you? This is Dip Brow. Like Chocolate Mousse. Maybe not, you know. We're gonna throw in this Il Makiage mascara. This is in black. Okay, we're gonna use this mascara this month because I actually just ran out of one. For powders, I think we're gonna go ahead and use the one size. I have two of them, you guys. I have two one size. I got Dark Deep and Translucent. I think I'm going to go in with Translucent. And then I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Banana powder. So I'm going to use these two right here. They're going to be for the month of April. Mainly because I've been sweating a lot more now. So this is not all my stuff, you guys. This is just what I have right here. This is a LYS bronzer in Strength, which is dark. I think I'm gonna pull this bronzer out to use. You guys gotta let me know if you guys like this version of me doing this way. I don't really use these, you guys, but maybe I'll utilize these two for this month here. These are Super Shock Shadows from ColourPop. And this one here is Millennial. And this one over here is Main Attraction. So I'm going to use these two. And these are like loose highlighters and stuff, y'all. I have another Becca back here and another Fenty. Oh, I got another Becca back here. It's a couple Beccas. Yeah, we're going to break out the Beccas, okay, with the Prosecco Pop one I have. I also have Chocolate Geode, which is this one. Let me show that. Let me show you guys what it looks like, okay? That is what it looks like. It's a very pretty shade. It's very pretty. And then this other Becca one here. This is in Gold Lava. Isn't that pretty? We're going to break these two out. I think that's all for this drawer. Moving down to the next one, you guys. So this is normally where I keep all my eyeshadow palettes. Extra sponges. You guys, I have a couple extra Tarte Shape Tapes in here. When I was able to pick them up for $6 at Ulta. Employee discount, okay? Employee discount. I was able to pick these up for $6. I have extra of these little triangle doohickeys. So I got more palettes in the back, but I actually already picked out my palettes. I just have this extra palette tray in here because I have one on my vanity already. But I picked out this palette here. This is the 9Z palette from Morphe. If I can open it. This is what it looks like. Like, the colors are just so pretty in spring. So, ooh, I hope I'm not showing cleavage. My chest, y'all. Okay, I pulled out the Mercury palette here from Huda Beauty. You have to be so surprised, but this is my only Huda Beauty product, you guys. I just haven't, haven't bought one. Because I didn't feel, I really, so I'm trying to show it to y'all without blinding you from the mirror. But yeah, those are the shades. All right, and then the other eyeshadow palette I picked is my Ofra one. Y'all, I think this one came in a BoxyCharm. I can't even tell you. I haven't had a BoxyCharm in a minute. And this is the Good To Go palette. And it has a bronzer. It has the blush. These are the different highlighters. And then all these are different shadows. But you guys can use these as shadows too. So if you guys have this palette, break it out, because I'll be using this palette. You guys, I'm going to go ahead. I done finished getting my makeup together for my makeup basket for the month of April. I'm going to show it to you guys. This is my little makeup basket, my makeup tray. I think I called it a makeup tray, y'all. This is what we got right here. Oops, I got everything falling. But I got everything up in here. So let me go ahead and share with y'all what's in my makeup tray that I got right here in front of me. I'm on my little table. I got my little mirror. You guys, I keep that in here. I have 1, 2, 3 Becca highlighters, Prosecco Pop, chocolate, I don't remember, I showed you guys, and something lava. I have my bronzer in here. My primer for this month, we are just going to stick with probably this one for maybe a few months. This is the One Size primer. This is the Secure the Sweat primer right here. As you can see, it's much loved. I am going to keep this in here because this is like almost gone. I'm just so excited. So excited, you guys. I do have all my palettes in here. You guys can see that. I am going to keep this palette in here. This is my real quick eyeshadow palette. Like if I'm running to the store, the mall or something, I don't want to, you know, but I want a little something. We're keeping this palette in here. This is the 9R Bronze palette by Morphe. We're keeping this one in here. I am keeping my cream contour here from Makeup Revolution. This is in dark. I'm keeping this in here for this month as well. Let's go ahead and move on to concealers. I only have one concealer here. My other concealer from Too Faced. I finished that, you guys. I'm so happy. I finished that a few days ago. I want to finish off this one here. This probably is like my 4th or 5th e.l.f. What are you? Concealer. And this is in the shade Deep Chestnut. Okay. There's like a little bit left down here. I want to go ahead and finish that up. I do have my Supergoop sunscreen. This one's almost empty. I do have more of these little tiny ones that I'm going to pull out. For complexion, you guys, we're going to go, and I'm going to pull out this, my little Kush foundation here. This one right here. I remember showing you guys, I picked it up from Amazon, and I have a little mini one, and surprisingly this worked pretty well, and I really did like it. So playing with this, and y'all, it's getting a little warmer out here in Texas, so I'm gonna go in. We're gonna pull out my baby here. We're gonna use my Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. Okay, all right, this is what we're playing with. This one here is in the shade 6W1 Sandalwood, and my little Kush here is in 43N Deep Cocoa. So you guys can know the shades. I like this little Kush thing because it lets you know the expiration date, which is February 5th, 2027. So I'm good on that foundation for a while. I also wanted to play with this foundation. Like right now, this is a good color for me. I picked up this foundation stick right here from Temu. So we're gonna use that. This is another foundation that I got, you know, for my job, y'all. It's Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation. This is their matte powder foundation in the shade Bronze. Now, my liquid here is 6W1. This is good for summer. This one here is 5W1. So I got sandalwood and bronze. So I want to see what the difference is, not just in like liquid and powder, but like the shade. Next, we're gonna break out this foundation here that's been sitting for a minute, you guys. NARS. Oh, this is not NARS. Lord jeez, y'all. Don't say that. Anyways, this is the MAC Fix Foundation. I have the shade NW45. This is their Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 broad spectrum SPF 15 1 fluid ounce foundation. Is a 24-hour wear, buildable, full matte coverage, oil shine controlling. So, and like I said, I have the shade NW45, and we're gonna play with this. Like, I think I did pull it out. This is what the foundation looks like. So we are gonna play with that as well. For face powders, I already showed you guys my face powders. But yeah, that's pretty much everything in my makeup tray, in my makeup basket for the month of April. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if any of these things you guys have tried before, or if you guys ever tried this item here, or even the Estee Lauder foundation powder right here. Let me know what you think, because y'all, I'm starting to go through that drawer and that box over there, and it's playtime. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye.